Hello everyone. That video I just made, I created with Envato Elements. So what is Envato Elements? It's a digital asset website where you can find different type of sources for graphics, videos, audio, presentation templates, photos, fonts, and for WordPress as well. This website that I found, it has been really useful now to create some marketing content, digital marketing content. It has thousands of different type of digital assets, as I mentioned before, as you saw in the video. The downloads that you can get from this website are unlimited. You don't have to worry too much about the license because it adds every license for each download, so you can do the right thing for every digital project that you have. The cost of this website service is around 14.50 euros per month if you have the yearly subscription. If you only want to try for 1 month, it's around 30 euros. But there are also some free options that you can get on Envato Elements. Let's have a quick look for browsing some video templates. The one that I just used for the initial video was one of the main videos that I found here. You can find different type of sources here, depending on what type of project do you want to create. If you want some videos, I think this is really helpful because you can add some motion graphics or any type of effects for videos, and it's really easy to create them with these kind of video templates, as well as let's see some graphic templates here. So if you're a designer or you're just starting to learn for Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, or any other kind of the main common design software, this website can be really helpful to create mockups or even business cards. So as an example, they have a great variety of resources that you can use. As well as if you're building your own website, they have WordPress themes that are already made. So I recommend you to try Envato Elements. It's one of the tools that I'm starting to use to create and develop new digital marketing content. So if you want to try it, I will leave the recommendation link below on the description. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.